Yes.
Can you all see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So recognizing the hour hand. How? Okay, we move to the second slide. You have seen these types of clock before minutes and seconds. I've showed you the analog clock and also the digital clock before, correct or not? The analog one is the one, yes, the analog one is the one is in your house. You can see everywhere. Even where you can see this in your wall, on the wall. Can you all see in the wall there? It's analog clock, but this one is digital one. Digital one, it's like more advanced one. It's already, they will be it's already stated here the how many minutes and also seconds and whether it is AM or PM, understand? But analog one, you have to identify the hours by identify the hour hands, the minutes hand, and also the second hands. But today we only focus to the hours. Okay, second one, can you spot the hour hand? Which one is the hour hand? Which one is the hour?
The smallest.
The smallest one. Very good. This one is the hour hand. So, and second hand and also the minute hand, I already guided last time, correct or not? The second hand is the one the moving fast, and the minutes one is the at the 12 here, correct? Any doubts? Who still don't know where is the hour hand? Any question before we move to the next slide? Any question? No. Okay, this one. You can spot or not? Which number, I mean the number shows the hour. Of course, we know because this is a digital clock, as I said, is more advanced. So they already stated which one is hour, which one is minutes, and which one is seconds. So no doubts for the digital clock. You can only read the time already stated here because digital is that. They already stated the hour, minutes, and also the seconds. Any questions for digital clock? No, right? It's 5, 52, and 3 seconds. 5 hour, 52 minutes, and 3 seconds. Okay? Okay or not? Nobody is responding. Okay, so. Okay, let's learn how to read hours. Okay, as we know, each of these lines represents 1 minute or 1 second, correct? As we know, each of these lines represent 1 minute or 1 second because teacher already mentioned last time when it's complete around, okay, when the seconds one completes around the 60 seconds mean is equals to how many minutes? 60 seconds. Again?
1 minute.
1 minute. Very good. Scofield, are you in the call?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so when the minute hand completes a round of 60 minutes, it is equal to how many hours? Okay, as we learned on Monday last time, okay, when the seconds hands complete one round, when it completes a round, so that means 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Correct or not? Correct or not? Yes. Okay. Now same goes to the, okay, now same goes to the hour base. How? When the minute hands, okay, when it completes a round of 60 minutes, okay, 5, 10, 15 minutes, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. When the minute hand completes a round of 60 minutes, it is equal to how many hours?
1. 1 hour.
1 hour. Very good. Okay, very good. Any question? So that means 60 minutes is equals to how many hours?
1 hour.
1 hour. Yes, correct. Okay, now. Okay, let's try it together. Okay. The time shown here. What is the time shown here? And the hour hand? No,
1 hour.
no, no. Can you all see where is the hour hand and where is the minutes hand and where is the second hand? So what is the time shown now? What is the time shown now?
1 hour 45 minutes
Who can try this?
and
1 hour 45 minutes.
Very 1 hour 45 minutes. Wrong.
what? One o'clock.
No. Who say 1 hour 45 minutes? Totally
4
wrong.
hours. 4 hours and 45 minutes.
Very good. It's 12:45. Understand or not? Understand or not?
What?
Understand or not?
Teacher, why is it 12:45? The hour
Because,
hand is pointing at 1.
okay, the hour hand is not even touch the 1 because we still have the minutes hand at 45 watt. If 1:45 means the hour hand should move aside here, the right side. Can you see? But it's just moving past 12 hours. The minutes is stay at 45 minutes. So that means this is 12:45. The time shown now is 12:45 because if, okay, let's say you say it's 1:45. How it could be 1:45? Because it's just touched the 1:45 because it's almost 1. That's why the hour hand is going to touch the 1. When 1:45 means the hour and almost going to touch the 2. Understand or not? You have to know the differences. When the time shown 1:45 means the hour hand, okay, the hour and almost will touch the 2. Understand? Since this is 12:45, the hour hand almost touch the 1. So as we know here, second, yes, of course, you know, second it's moving 1 by 1. Just ignore the second now. Just time, it shows 12:45. Understand or not? Okay, so this one, hour hand has moved from 1 to 2, which means it has moved to 1 hour or 60 minutes. Correct or not? Okay, but the second hand still at 12. This one. What is the time shown here?
1:45.
Exactly, 1:45. Because, okay, yeah, second hand is still at 12. No changes because this is second hands, okay? But as you see here, the hour hand is moved from 1 to 2, correct or not? It means it's moved for 1 hour. But the minute hand at 9, it shows 45. So it is 1:45. Can you see the differences in between 12:45 and also 1:45? It's almost touched the 2 here. So it is 1:45. The time shown now is 1:45. Understand or not? Understand or not? Who still don't understand? Understand, huh? Okay, good.
Understand.
Is Quinas in the call? No, okay. Find out the change in time by looking at the clocks now. Okay, who can tell to teacher? The second hands, okay. Please look at the slide now. The second hands is still at 10. Even the second clock also, the second hand still at 10. Okay, now who can tell to teacher the time shown in the first clock and also the time shown in the second clock? What is the time shown in first clock?
Hey, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Very good. How about the second clock? 6 o'clock. Okay, very good. So how many, what is the changes in between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock? Remind me the mic.
2 hours.
2 hours. Very good. Okay, very good. Because the first clock, it shows 4 o'clock, and the second clock showing is 6 o'clock. So the changes in time is only 2 hours. Understand or not the example one? Understand or not the example one?
Right. Understand.
Okay.
Understand.
Okay. So. Okay, now here, as I showed just now, the hour hands points at 4 if the minute hands points at 12 means, but the second hand still at 10. So that means 4 o'clock, how many seconds? If the second hands at 10 means, how many seconds, class?
$50.
50 seconds. Very good. And same goes to the second clock here. Hour hand points at 6. Minute hands points at 12. And the second hands pointing at 10. Also same. 6 hour, 50 seconds. So that means 2 hours has passed. Correct or not? Because here is 4 hour 50 seconds and here 6 hour 50 seconds means the hour passed are 2. Any question before we move to the next example? Do you have any question, class?
No.
Okay, very good. Example number 2. Yes, here. Okay, I can read the hands for you all to make you all understand. Okay, now, okay, I can read. The second hand stay at 12. Okay, but the hour hands pass 12 and the minutes hand at 5. So what is the time shown now? Are you all focusing or not? What you all doing there?
12:25.
I only can hear the response from Hemar, Chikin, and also Ethan. How about the rest? Sleeping?
No, teacher.
Then dreaming. Okay, who can tell what is the time shown here? Class, who can tell to teacher the time shown here? The first clock, what is the time shown here?
4 hours.